So this is a cord detangler. It is only about 2 to 3 inches long, as you can see here. It is completely made out of plastic and rubber. The base here is actually made out of plastic, and it swivels a full 360 degrees, and as well as the tip here is also made of plastic, and it does have the little locking clip on the very tip. Now, basically what you do is you'll attach it to your phone receiver here, and as you are using the phone, it will prevent your cord from getting tangled up, which, let's face it, we don't like having to fight a cord when we are trying to multitask. So, super easy to install. Appreciate you guys watching, and y'all have a fantastic day.